Hey guys, welcome back to the Adventure Channel, and thanks for joining us again. So we're on our next adventure, and we're in Destin, Florida, which is kind of local to us. More specifically, we're at Miramar Beach, but we're at the Destin RV Beach Resort is where we're at. It's an RV park here in Miramar Beach, and we're going to be here for a few days for the Thanksgiving holiday from Wednesday to Sunday. And this is our first time here, and so far we're loving it. We just got in today, and we're just kind of we got everything set up and just really just kind of enjoying it. So I wanted to get a little video of the park and just kind of show you the surrounding areas. Maybe we brought the bikes this time. I might be able to get a little bit of video riding around and show you kind of what the area looks like here. We're going to go down to the beach. Coming over the Destin Bridge there, the water looked just absolutely amazing and beautiful. So it's real pretty time to see the beach right now. So hopefully we're going to get some walks out there and see some of the water. We're going to be doing some cooking some turkey on the pit barrel tomorrow for Thanksgiving. So we got the pit barrel. We'll take a little video of that and hopefully just kind of relax and enjoy the holiday. And we're hoping that maybe this starts a new tradition for Abby and I to since we got the camper. I told her that I would love for us to actually go camping for Thanksgiving. It doesn't have to be the same place every year. Maybe it can be a different spot every Thanksgiving, who knows. But anyway, hopefully this is going to be the first year of that tradition. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm going to share some things with you along this adventure, and hopefully you're going to enjoy. Alrighty. All right, so I iced down some beer yesterday. I'm gonna go ahead and pull one of these out. By the way, I do like my Keystones. They're cheap and they're good. This is gonna be the first beer of the camp right here. Cheers. It's always awesome getting that first beer once you get set up camp and you start enjoying yourself out here. I am going to walk around and maybe show you what the RV park here looks like. You guys might like that. Somebody might be interested in camping here themselves. I was going to point out that since it is an RV park, it is a little bit tighter. It's nothing like a state park. So RV parks are typically, you're a lot closer together, but this is a real nice site because you got a little bit of privacy, like this these trees and bushes right here. This is one of those places where each spot, each RV spot right here is actually owned by somebody. It's like property, owning property. All these lots are owned by somebody, and they pretty much lease them out. So anyway, let's go take a walk around, and I'll give you a shot of the park. The RV park is like in the shape of a big U. It's a one-way. This is actually the exit right here. So you come in on that other side over there, and then the road goes down, comes around and back up this way, and then out that road right there. So that's where we're camped, where the truck is. All the sites pretty much look about the same. And they said it's going to be a full house today. It's going to be filled up because of the Thanksgiving holiday. And Abby's parents are going to be here in just probably about an hour, and they're going to be in site 11. That's straight ahead of us right there. So they're going to be joining us, and we're going to have a little family Thanksgiving here at the campground. This is our little setup right here. They are stiff about the grass. They do not want you parking on the grass. It is a little tight, but we manage. It is full hookups, by the way. Full utilities, including cable TV as well. They do have a pool, which we're going to check out. It's a heated pool, so it's not cold water. And there's a bathhouse as well. There's a road right there that parallels the beach, and then across that is where the ocean is, where the Gulf of Mexico is, should I say. So this is where you come in right here, and you come down this way. Alrighty, so it all looks the same. All the sites look the same. There's your office, and then here's the pool. So you got a pool, you got a gate over there you can go through, and then the sidewalks there, you can go across the street, and you have beach access right across the street there. The RV park has their own gated beach access to get you out there. So we're going to be going out there later on and checking it out. This is actually a really nice area. If you're a beach person, or you like the beach, or you want to visit the beach, anywhere along here, the Destin area is great. I would prefer something like this, an RV park or the state park. Just down the road, there's Topsail State Park. We haven't been there before, but we want to go and stay there. There's also Henderson Beach, which is right in the middle of Destin. It's another beautiful state park you can stay at, and there's several other RV campgrounds around here as well. But there's lots of really nice state parks along Highway 30A, Deerfield Beach. I can't remember the names, and we got some other videos where we went down there though and enjoyed that. But some of the prettiest beaches in Florida, probably very arguably said, but some of the most pretty beaches in Florida right here in Destin.
Am I the only person that's going to eat beans? You can, but I'll just do one.
Yeah, just do one, and if you have them left over, save them and we'll throw them in the baked beans. Unless there's not enough to save.
There won't be.
Oh, oh.
I got another can.
No, I've got enough beans.
Yeah, they were the guys
Absolutely.
yeah, we lost one in February.
And it's tough to get over. It's really tough. It's tough to get over. The first one we had 15 years ago.
Not having.
All right, here's our grilled shrimp, and we made shrimp tacos out of them. We have some homemade guacamole and some toppings to go with it, and they're turned out pretty good. They're delicious. All right, we're getting the turkeys prepped this morning. It's Thanksgiving. I've got 2 whole turkey breasts, and what we've done, we've injected this one right here. I'm not injecting that one, and I'm using this stuff right here. This is the Amazing Cajun marinade made by Heaven Made Products. You mix it with some butter and some water, and just inject it, and then I'll actually coat the outside of them with this too. It's the same stuff, Amazing Cajun. This is just the outside rub. So we'll coat both of them down with that here in a minute. We've got the charcoal burning in, and today I'm using the better burning charcoal, and with a little bit of pecan wood. I got one piece of pecan right there on top that's burning in. So we're getting ready to dump that into the coal basket, and then I'll lower the coal basket down into the pit barrel here. And once we get ready, we'll get them both hung. All right, we got both of them hanging now. We're ready to go. Yep, looking pretty good. I like that carving action.
It's beautiful.
smell it. Oof.
You like it?
It smells great. And which one is this one?
This is the one that's been injected. You see some of the seasoning there. It's injected with seasoning, butter. Let's see if it's any good.
Yeah?
Good. It's really good. Here we go. Here's our Thanksgiving meal. Everybody pitched in and cooked something. There's the smoked turkey. We got casseroles and all kinds of stuff there. So we're doing good. They got the football playing and having a good time. So it's the Friday after Thanksgiving. I'm gonna walk across the street to the beach here. I've been trying to get over there and see the water, and this is the first opportunity that I've gotten to go. I was hoping Abby was gonna go with me, but she's gonna go with the family to eat some lunch here in a bit, and I just want to go to the beach, so that's where I'm headed. And I got to get the code to get through the gate right here. All right, there we go. All right, so we're gonna head that way, and we have a beach access over there that the RV park owns. So we'll go check that out and go see the water. All right, here's our crosswalk. You can see all the traffic here on the beach road. Let's see if we can get across here. There we go. Smelling good. That place right there, Surf Hut, we went and eat there the first night we come out, and it was pretty good. It's a neat place right on the beach. This is it. It worked. That water is beautiful, man. It is pretty. Such beautiful beaches here in Destin. Beautiful today. Mild temps. It's in the 70s. Almost clear skies. Water's emerald green. Pretty. Let's walk down there and check out the water. My sister-in-law, Shan Lee, she's down there somewhere. She's already coming over here to hang out. So I'm gonna see if I can find her. But let's go down there and check out the water, man. It's so pretty today. Sugar white sand here. Water's a little chilly. Come out here to the sandbar. How beautiful is this? That was a nice walk out on the beach. Hopefully you guys liked that. Beautiful out there. I'm gonna walk back on over to the campground and wait for the family to get back over there.